A woman has made public claims involving Jah Cure. In this clip, we're only listening to the phone call she says took place. Listen carefully and decide for yourself.
Call me. When I go hear him, so when him call me, I'm going to stop the part so I can hear him, so when him call me.
You get up and live, you know where you do. You're a big woman and you're an adult. You don't secure me and live. I say, yeah, where you live, go. Wait. You're trying to judge the situation and things happen and go in other things.
I assumed that was the case, which I was wrong. I'm not.
Stop assuming, man. You fully assume that's ask question.
No, but yes, you know, you say me always ask question. Yeah, but you complain or me like ask question. Like
you ask them that assume that any day. Just say you come to me and I fuck the woman and get you out the door.
You go tell who that. Who me fi tell that? You know, and you bad me up over the phone and I carry on and I go on the most.
So you know you agree with me. Me not be a good
Oh me grieve you. Tell me me grieve you. I mean I say no at all offended to you.
I go upstairs the bed and go outside and up to some dead man.
No, I'm not up to nothing at all. So you think you take me left?
You gone?
So you think me left gone fuck?
Where you gone?
I told you I booked into a hotel. I'm at a hotel at the moment.